Hi, class. Okay, so today we're continuing our assignment about the 3 steps to decorating a Christmas tree. Okay, so this is a Quizlet that I made, and I made some flashcards that way, another easy way for you guys to remember the 3 steps, okay? So the first step in decorating a Christmas tree is fluff the branches. All right. The second step in decorating a Christmas tree is to strand the lights. Okay, the lights for the tree, they can be colored lights or they can be white lights. The third step in decorating a Christmas tree is add ornaments and a tree topper. Okay, so now this next thing that we're going to do, this is a little quiz that we're going to take over how to decorate a Christmas tree. Okay, so I will send this link to you guys, and you guys are going to take this quiz. But first, I'm going to go over it to you. I'll go over it with you guys. That way, if you have any questions, hopefully I answer them. Okay. Okay, so the first question is, how many steps are there to decorate a Christmas tree? And right here, you will put in your short answer. You will tell me how many steps there are, okay? The next question is, what is the first step? Is it lights, fluff the branches, or add ornaments? And you'll just click in one of these little dots to select the one that you want. What is the top part that we add to the Christmas tree called? That's the next question. Is that called the tree topper? Is it called an ornament? Or is it called the lights? Again, you'll just select whichever one that you think it is. Okay? The next question is, what is the second step to decorating a Christmas tree? Is it fluff the branches, add the ornaments, or strand the lights? And then lastly, what is the third step? Is that going to be adding the ornaments, fluffing the branches, or is it that the lights? Okay, so that's all for this little quiz. It's very simple. You can watch this video as much as you want to get your answers to the quiz, okay? And that is it. I will see you guys tomorrow in class. Bye.